So hey, this is Steve Tristan with Steve Tristan's Best and Best Custom Screens. I'm here with
Aiden,
and we're here with an awesome customer that we came and shot a video with this dog, Bill Kreig here, and he has his dogs here, and this one's sitting like really just right on me. Hum Marley.
Before we start this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and select the alert notification down below so you can see any new videos that are coming out. Now let's get started. Come on, come get it. Look at that. Come here. You want it? Come here. Come on in. There you go.
The experience with you guys have been great. I mean, you guys came, you spent a lot of time trying to be familiar with the dogs, making sure that they were very comfortable. So there was a lot of sensitivity, not just getting the product in and leaving.
Right.
You wanted to make sure that the dogs were able to get in and out of that door and use it. So you handled it beautifully.
Well, we're dog lovers too, right, buddy?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I love dogs. I'm a dog lover.
Before we would have Marley, the Great Dane, he would scratch at the door. He just scratch at the door when he wants to go out. So one of us would always open the door, and then when he wanted to get back in, he would scratch.
Sure.
And he would signal to us that he wanted to come back in. So now this door provides that entry and exit and allows them to get in and out. That's what we needed. So
perfect.
The time in terms of indoctrinating, especially the Great Dane, Marley, to it, you guys just didn't put the door on, leave, and say, "Hey, it's your issue, it's your problem."
Right.
And that's what we really appreciate. So it'll work out great.
You know, you're giving me new ideas here. I'm like thinking, like, okay, we'll train your dogs too, right?
Yeah.
Offer dog training service. I mean, obviously we enjoy doing what we do, and then shooting the videos to share with people online is great. We offer that. I don't know if you've seen our YouTube channel much, but it's called Steve Tristan's Best, off of my name, but Best is like as a company,
right?
So it's tied together. We do other videos other than just screens, but when he was 12 years old, we shot our first video together. Now, prior to that, I was just doing how to install a screen door, or how to just help the company, basically.
Right.
But since then, it's grown so much. So it led us to the point where we're actually now training dogs and helping people online. Like, what is it that you do to help them go through a doggy door? Because a lot of people will buy a doggy door and put it on their screen door themselves. You know, there's also doggy doors that they can put on a door or a wall, but getting them through, that's a whole different thing.
You
so
can buy it, but then
I mean, you guys have been here for about close to hour and a half
now.
You know, so in terms of dropping off the product and say, and you would have put the door up, and you were saying, "Hey, we provided the product. Now it's up to you."
Right.
That patience and that ability to be able to ensure that we're going to be satisfied with it.
Sure.
That's the most important thing.
Certainly.
You know, it's not just getting the product; it's making sure that the dogs accept it.
That's awesome.
So this turned out great. So I appreciate the patience.
That's a great shot.
And you guys brought some toys for the dogs, which allowed them to be incentivized in order to come through the door.
Yeah, for sure. Yeah. And I just, randomly thought, oh, yeah, I didn't know he liked balls. And the chicken, though.
That's not yours.
I love those chickens. So I think that's the third one I bought. I did buy one for another dog before, but our dog as well. Yeah. And I bought one for our dog, and they love it. So, and it's I figured that it's going to make them more comfortable with us too.
Sure.
Like right now, he's leaning on me.
He's leaning on both.
He's leaning on both of us.
Oh yeah.
And that's literally, I know, like big extra large breeds with them doing that to you is a hug.
Yeah.
That's how
So-
they hug, yeah, because
So,
they-
oh boy.
No, it's been great. The product
Right there.
is what was represented,
Yeah.
and now we know
You can
how
see.
the dog is accepting of it. That's critical. That's the most important thing, and it's going to be really convenient for us now.
Yeah. Well,
So-
please tell your friends and your neighbors about us for sure.
Absolutely.
You know, any dog owners appreciate it.
No, we will.
Yeah.
The experience has been great.
Thank you.
You guys handled everything you needed to.
Appreciate it. So, yeah, and he thinks my hand is his ball now. I guess there's my ring.
No,
So,
Marley, our Great Dane, is really taken to you guys. But
yeah.
the product, the service, how you guys have spent a lot of time to ensure that the dogs were accepting of the product, which is the critical factor.
Yes.
You
Thank
guys
you. No,
went ahead and
stop.
knocked it out of the park. So I would highly recommend to people working with you. You told us the lead times for actually making the product. You told us when you're going to be down here. You're right on time. Everything you've said, you've represented well. So it's been a very good experience. I highly recommend your company to
Thank you.
anyone that wants to look at custom screen doors, especially for pets in this situation. Highly recommend your company.
Thank you. We
Okay.
truly
So,
appreciate it.
Stephen, I appreciate it.
We really appreciate you and your wife Kathy as well.
Absolutely. Nope.
So,
So you guys are
yeah.
got a strong faith,
Yes.
Yes, I haven't seen that.
and that's evident in the way you treat people, the way you work with people. Because you know that people depend on you.
Mhm.
You depend on your faith
Yes.
in Jesus Christ and
Yes, for sure.
and
Yes.
your Lord, and so it's very evident. So it's been a great experience.
Awesome. Well, it was a pleasure.
Okay. Hey, thank you.
Exactly.
God bless you.
Thank you. God bless
All
you guys.
If you haven't already, give that video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and select alert notification if you haven't done so. Thank you very much. Take care. God bless. Catch you next time. See ya. Later.